If you're anything like me, you know how time-consuming YouTube SEO can be. And honestly, it can feel really overwhelming, especially when you just want to focus on creating amazing content. That's where Taja AI comes in. And let me just tell you, it is a must-have. This tool takes all of the heavy lifting out of YouTube SEO and lets you focus on what you do best, making videos. Imagine uploading your video and having an AI instantly generate a killer title, write a detailed description, and suggest tags that actually rank. So if you're tired of wasting hours on SEO and want a tool that streamlines the whole process, stick around because in this video, I'm going to walk through how Taja works, show you its best features, and explain how it can save you time while improving your video's visibility on YouTube. Let's dive in. So first off, what is Taja AI? In simple terms, Taja AI is like your personal SEO assistant for YouTube. It's designed to automate all those tedious post-production tasks, like help your videos perform better, whether it's optimizing titles and tags and generating transcripts or even creating YouTube shorts from your content. Taja AI has got you covered. The best part is you don't have to be an SEO expert at all to use it. All you need to do is upload your video or link to an unlisted YouTube video and Taja AI gets to work. It's perfect for creators who want to grow their channel without getting bogged down in the details. Now, let's walk through step by step what this looks like. If you don't already have an account, I will show you at the end how to get logged in and save 50% off of your first month. So you don't want to miss out on that. So once you're in, as you can see, it's pretty intuitive, but here is your home. Here you can see the different channels. Here you can see different linked accounts and easily connect them. You also can create a team. You can also view the other plans, referral program, roadmap. They even have a content calendar. Even though this has already been posted, we're just going to use this as an example. So you'll want to go ahead and put the link in and click start. What it does is it optimizes everything for you. So starting off with the title, here you can see it has a bunch of different options. So as you know, one of the hardest parts of YouTube SEO is coming up with a title that grabs attention and performs well in search. So this tool analyzes your video and generates multiple title options, each scored based on how likely they are to rank. You can pick the one you like best or tweak it to make it even more personalized. No more guessing, just data-driven suggestions that work. So as you can see, it has a bunch of different options for this video. So transform your health journey without the diet culture BS, your body journey, what nobody tells you, and then here is the ranking on the side. So they really do simplify everything for you. You don't even have to think at all. You just upload your unlisted video or a file on your computer. So next is the description. And a good description is so much more than a summary. It's one of the most important tools for getting your video noticed on YouTube. Descriptions help YouTube algorithm understand what your video is about, which plays a huge role in how your video ranks in search engine results and how it's recommended to other people. So as you can see, Taja AI takes the guesswork out of writing descriptions by crafting detailed SEO-friendly text that includes keywords, hashtags, and call to action to encourage engagement. This not only saves you time, but also increases the chances of your video being seen by the right audience. So here you can see we've got the description, we've got the hashtags, and we've even got the chapters, which is such a game changer. Next is the tags. So tags are often overlooked, but they are so important for helping YouTube understand what your video is about. Taja AI generates a list of tags tailored to your specific video, complete with scores so you know which ones are the most effective. So here you can see they automatically created all of these tags. We also can refresh if we are not liking them and we want to switch them up. So now here you can see they have the little ranking. So this one says 44 overall, monthly search volume, and the competition score. So you can X any of these out or you can add your own tags as well. So I already mentioned this, but the automatic chapters are also such a game changer. Breaking your video into chapters not only improves the viewer's experience, but also boosts your SEO. Since this is done automatically, creating the timestamp sections with titles that are easy to follow, it just makes your content more accessible and helps rank higher in search as well. So now next is the thumbnail. So all we have to do is scroll down here and click generate. You can do fully AI generated or add faces from video. As you probably know, thumbnails are the first thing viewers notice and they play a huge role in whether someone clicks on your video or not. A strong eye-catching thumbnail helps your content stand out in a crowded feed. Taja AI makes this so simple by generating multiple options based on your video. From bold text to key visuals, you can choose the design that fits your style or tweak it further. All you have to do to create a thumbnail is click there. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at how to create short form clips. So we'll go ahead and click view repurposed content. YouTube Shorts and social media clips are an amazing way to get extra exposure and reach new audiences. And Taja AI makes this super easy by identifying the best moments from your video and turning them into ready to publish clips in just minutes. It even adds captions automatically, which saves you time and effort. This is such a great way to quickly repurpose repurpose your content and stay on top of the short form content trend without the hassle. So as you can see, they have them ranked by score. So here's number 1. It gives you a title, it gives you hashtags, it gives you tags, and what you can do is edit it as well. So you can completely customize it. You can adjust the caption, the design, as well as adding in B-roll, which is so cool and so simple. It just really saves so much time on your end. So here you can see we've got number 2, and it even does the captions and has kind of like a hook on screen as well, which is so helpful. And then again, yeah, as you can see, you've got the score, and it also put the link to watch the full YouTube video. So it is such a game changer to save so much time. Taja AI truly is a must-have, and let's be real, time is your most valuable resource as a creator. Spending hours on SEO, descriptions, and tags takes away from the time that you could be spending on brainstorming new ideas or filming your next video. Taja AI streamlines all of those tasks so you can focus on what you love creating. And here's the best part. It's not just about saving time, it's about making your videos better. By optimizing every part of your content for SEO, Taja AI helps your videos reach a wider audience, rank higher, and get more views. I even want to point out some testimonials because people rave about it. So you don't have to just take my word for it. So here you can even see, wow, this may be the best tool I've ever purchased. It just works. So look at all these 5 stars. There are just so many people that are absolutely obsessed with Taja AI. Now I wanted to show you the different pricing options just so you're aware. So here you can see they've got the starter plan, which is $49.99 per month. With this plan, you get YouTube long form optimization, 6 videos. You also get shorts generation, content scheduling, multi-platform sharing, and content idea generation. If you want to pay yearly, you can save about 17%. Next is the semi-pro, which is $79.99 per month, and you get YouTube long form optimization, 12 videos, so twice as many. You also get shorts generation, unlimited, content scheduling, multi-platform sharing, and content idea generation. And again, if you want to save some money, you can pay annually and save 17%. Next is the pro, and this is $109.99 per month. You get unlimited YouTube long form optimization, as well as the shorts generation, but you also get team collaboration, content scheduling, and multi-platform sharing, as well as content idea generation. Now, if you want to save 50% off of your first month, what you'll want to do is go ahead and click started, and then you will create your email and password. And then here you will click become member, and you'll want to type in StartupWise 50 to apply the discount. Then all you'll have to do is add your payment information and go ahead and click subscribe. So you definitely don't want to miss out on those savings. As you saw, getting started with Taja AI is so easy. You can even sign up for a free trial and just see how it works before committing to a plan. Again, I've included the link in the description so you can check it out for yourself. And don't forget to use StartupWise50 to get 50% off your first month. Now, that wraps up this video. I know firsthand how overwhelming starting and growing a business can be. That's why I'm so passionate about sharing tools like Taja AI to make the process so much smoother for you. If this video helped, please like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.